Hello, dear students. I have given you some acid radicals and basic radicals in the last class. Have you remembered? Acid radicals and basic radicals. You have to remember all these radicals that I have given to you. Unless and until you have remembered, we just can't write down this formula of these compounds. So today we will give some examples of that, how to write down this formula of these compounds and the other names of the some of these compounds. For example, you can take that is laughing gas. Laughing gas, that is compound that is having the formula N2, dinitrogen oxide. Or you can take that is tear gas. Tear gas, जो लुहा बुहा गैस कहे पुलिस गोटे गंडगोल हेल्ले जो पुलिस सब मार्च लुहा बुहा गैस तार फर्मुला कौन हम CCl3NO2 ट्राइक्लोरो नाइट्रो मिथेन एमती आज गुड़ाए आम एग्जाम्पल साइड करवा किंतु ता पूर्व आम किसी कंपाउंड करवा जोटा एसिड पार्ट बेसिक पार्ट आम मन रखीचे से किसी कंपाउंड करवा फॉर एग्जांपल दैट इज कैल्शियम ऑक्जालेट कैल्शियम पे हमें कौन लिखा फॉर कैल्शियम वी कैन राइट डाउन दैट Ca2 प्लस ऑक्जालेट दैट इज C2O4 2 minus. In this case 2 and 2 these are common. We have explained regarding the different rules how to write down this formula of the compound. Since these are the two common terms, like 2 and 2, then that should be cancelled, that should be ignored. So the formula for this one, that is calcium oxalate C2O4, CaC2O4. Oxalate ion, that is C2O4 2 minus. Sodium thiosulfate. For example, sodium thiosulfate. Sodium that is having the formula Na plus, thiosulfate H2O3 that is 2 minus. Sodium Na plus, thiosulfate H2O3 2 minus. So 2 will be multiplied this one, that is 1. Then the formula will be Na2 H2O3. Next one can take ammonium dichromate. Ammonium dichromate. Then ammonium dichromate. What is the formula for that ammonium? Cation, compound basic radical, that is NH4 plus. Ammonium NH4 plus. Dichromate, that is Cr2O7 2 minus, that is dichromate. So 2 will be multiplied to this one and 1. Then what is the formula? NH4 compound radical, that is multiplied as a whole. 2 is multiplied as a whole. Total upre taku multiply kariba ammonium NH4 whole to Cr2O7. We can take that is magnesium phosphide. Magnesium that is having charge Mg2 plus. Magnesium Mg2 plus. Phosphide. What is the composition for that phosphide? That is P3 minus. That is phosphide. 3 will be multiplied this one to this one. Then formula will be Mg3P2. That is magnesium phosphide. So we have to remember that is a formula. That is a formula for that basic radicals and also the acid radicals. And writing this acid basic and acid radicals, neglecting the charge, we have to crisscross their balances. Common factors that should be omitted, and compound radicals that is multiplied as a whole by giving the brackets. In the same manner, we will take the examples, that is ferric sulfate, ferrous sulfate and ferric sulfate. Ferrous, that is Fe2 plus. Sulfate SO4 2 minus. Ferrous Fe2 plus. Sulfate SO4 2 minus. 2 common. Then what is the formula? That is FeSO4. ferric sulfate, ferric Fe3 plus, sulfate SO4 2 minus. Then what is that formula? 2 will be multiplied this one, 3 will be multiplied this one. Then what is the formula? Fe2SO4 whole 3. Sodium bicarbonate, sodium that is Na plus, bicarbonate that is HCO3 minus. Sodium Na plus, bicarbonate HCO3 minus, that is same charge, or the formula will be NaHCO3, sodium bicarbonate. So these are the different tricks how to write down the formula of these compounds. So we have to remember this acid and basic radical, therefore, and we will be able to write in the formula for these compounds. Next we will explain what are the other names, other type of names for that compounds. We are explaining sodium bicarbonate. सोडियम बाइकार्बोनेट बोली लिखुचे आम जाने सोडियम बाइकार्बोनेट जो खाइबा सोडा गोटे कौच खाइबा सोडा दैट इज बेकिंग पाउडर सोडियम बाइकार्बोनेट तेणु बर्तमान सेमती किसी एग्जाम्पल आम साइड करवा जे व्हाट आर द अदर नेम्स ऑफ दिस कंपाउंड्स NaClO NaClO ClO minus that is known as hypochlorite. ClO minus that is known as hypochlorite. NaClO, Na plus ClO minus that is sodium hypochlorite. पिला माने बर्तमान ये जो कोविड-19 पे गोटे मार्केट कॉम्प्लेक्स हो गाड़ी हो सब कौन करा सैनिटाइजेशन कराउची ये सैनिटाइजेशन पे नौथबा मटेरियल ताना सोडियम हाइपोक्लोराइट दैट इज केमिकल मटेरियल सोडियम हाइपोक्लोराइट इट हैज द एबिलिटी टू प्रोड्यूस दैट क्लोरीन तेणु सैनिटाइजेशन पे जो क्लोरीन दरकार होचे एथु तो मिलिबो सोडियम हाइपोक्लोराइट सैनिटाइजेशन रे जो बर्तन यूज करा होचे एटा सोडियम हाइपोक्लोराइट Na plus सोडियम हाइपोक्लोराइट दैट इज ClO minus we can take that is hydrogen peroxide H2O2 हाइड्रोजन पेरोक्साइड हम नौचे हाइड्रोजन पेरोक्साइड देखिबो जो मानकर चुट्टी सब कला अछि हम गोल्डनिंग कराउछि ता सब मार देबे सब हाइड्रोजन पेरोक्साइड मारिबे से जो घोड़ा माने लांजर जो चुट्टी जो टाइप रो कलर से टाइप रो गोल्डनिंग हे जबरे तो हाइड्रोजन पेरोक्साइड कोन कराउछि ना हाइड्रोजन पेरोक्साइड दैट यूज फॉर द गोल्डनिंग ऑफ हेयर्स किंबा कान सब सफा कान जो गई बाहर करने सफा कराऊँगी घा सफा कर व्यवहार कराऊँगी हाइड्रोजन पेरोक्साइड दैट इज नोन एज ऑक्सोल सुपरऑक्सल कहते ऑक्सोल बा सुपरऑक्सल ऑक्सोल और दैट इज नोन एज सुपरऑक्सल दैट इज हाइड्रोजन पेरोक्साइड सिमिलरली यू कैन टेक दैट इज CuSO4 that is copper sulfate CuSO4 copper sulfate 5 water that is known as blue vitriol sulfate compounds are known as vitriols that is CuSO4 5 water that is known as blue vitriol ना सुनिथिबो तृतीय गोटे वर्ड सुनिथिबो तेनो CuSO4 5 water that is known as blue vitriol similarly you can take FeSO4 that is ferrous sulfate 7 water that contains 7 water molecule of crystallization during the formation 7 water molecule that has been attached to that crystal that is known as ferrous sulfate heptahydrate एटा को हम कोना ना copper sulfate pentahydrate तो FeSO4 7 water that is known as green vitriol N2 आम कहे दैट इज नोन एज लाफिंग गैस दैट कजेस लाफिंग हिस्ट्रिया गोटे कंटेनर भितर आम रहा गोटे क्लासरूम रहा जदि N2 गैस छाड़ा दरकार पड़े आम हसी हसी बेदम की दरकार पड़े मरी जाई परिवार डिजीज ना कहे लाफिंग हिस्ट्रिया दैट इज N2 दैट इज टीयर गैस CCl3 NO2 दैट इज नोन एज टीयर गैस लोहा गैस जोड़ा गंडगोल समय पुलिस तो मारे that is trichloronitromethane CCl3NO2 that tear gas CO plus H2 that is known as synthesis gas. Synthesis gas CO plus N2 that is known as producer gas. CO plus H2 plus N2 that is known as semi water gas, that is known as semi water gas. Similarly, we can take the other examples, that is NaOH, caustic soda, NaOH, sodium hydroxide, but that is named as caustic soda. KOH, that is known as caustic potash. NaHCO3, that is known as baking powder. कौन पे बेकिंग पाउडर दिया ना बिकज दैट इज यूज्ड इन बेकिंग इंडस्ट्री जोटा आम देखो पाउरुटी सब करने घरे जब आम ओभन में किसी केक या सोडियम बाइकार्बोनेट पकाऊे स्वेलिंग करने देखो पाउरुटी कि सब मझे फांका फांका सब जगह थी ये कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड हिट कलापर कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड गैस बाहर जो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड को फुलेबार साहाଯ୍य कर सिमिलरली वी कैन टेक H2SO4 दैट इज नोन एज किंग ऑफ केमिकल्स. King of chemicals, that is H2SO4, 20% aqueous solution of sodium chloride, that is known as brine. What is that brine solution? Brine solution, that is the 20% aqueous solution of sodium chloride, means that 80% that contain water. That 20% aqueous solution of that sodium chloride, that is brine. If we take 20 gram of that is sodium chloride, 80 gram of that water, total that is found to be 100. Then that solution that is known as brine solution. Brine. Then 40% aqueous means that is addition of water. Aqueous solution of HCHO, that is formaldehyde. 40% aqueous solution of that is HCHO, formaldehyde, that is known as formalin. Formalin, बर्तमान formalin कोडी व्यवहार हम करछे formalin यूज कराउछे लैबोरेटरी for the preservation of the dead animals. देखिबो तमे जूलॉजी लैब को आसीबो साप माछ बेंग कंच सब जहाँ सब रखिथिबे डेड एनिमल गुडा को से ई सॉल्यूशन भीतर रखिबे जदि वाटर भीतर रखिबे सेरा सब बिन बिन हेकि सब कोन नष्ट होई जिवो तेनु 40% aqueous solution formaldehyde जोडा कहउछे formalin solution भीतर ता बुडे की रखाइथिबो ठीक से बळे ए देखिया 7 to 8% aqueous solution of acetic acid CH3, that is COOH. 7 to 8% aqueous solution of acetic acid CH3COH, that is known as vinegar. Vinegar कोट व्यवहार हम करछे खाद्य पदार्थ रोषे समय व्यवहार कराउची बा गोटे भोजी पड़े से रोषा लिखि माने 4 बोतल विनेगार आनिबो दैट इज एसिडिक एसिड माने खाद्य पदार्थ टे संरक्षण कर रखा रहिबो एवं माने सुविधा रे सिझिबा पय मध्ये एक व्यवहार करा जाय पारे 7 to 8% aqueous solution of acetic acid, that is known as vinegar. Next we'll see what are these other names. Next, CaSO4 half water. CaSO4 2 water. Or we can take ZnSO4 7 water. These are the water of crystallizations. Or we can take Na2SO4, that is 10 water. Or we can take Na2B4O7, 10 water. These are the compounds which contain water of crystallization. During their formation, that contain water of crystallization. A compound तैयारी होगा समय even water molecule धारण करके आसीबे. तेणु first compound that is known as plaster of Paris. That is known as plaster of Paris. This is known as gypsum. This gypsum, ZnSO4 7 water, that is white vitriol. Na2SO4, this is zinc sulfate heptahydrate, white vitriol. Na2SO4 10 water, that is known as sodium sulfate deca 10 decahydrate, that is known as Glauber salt. Glauber salt. Na2B4O7, sodium tetraborate, sodium Na plus borate, B4O7 2 minus, the formula is Na2B4O7. But during that formation, that contain water 10 water molecules of crystallization, therefore that is sodium tetraborate decahydrate, but that is otherwise known as borax. That is known as borax. Na2B4O7 10 water, sodium tetrahydrate, that is sodium tetraborate decahydrate. Similarly, MgSO4 7 water, magnesium sulfate heptahydrate, but otherwise known as that is Epsom. Epsom salt. Epsom, this is your gypsum. CaSO4 2 water, gypsum, but MgSO4 7 water, that is Epsom. Next, we will give some examples of that double salts. The examples of double salts are, for example, KCl, that is potassium chloride, MgCl2, that is magnesium chloride. This is one salt, KCl, potassium chloride, magnesium chloride, 6 water. We will give the what are these names of the compounds. FeSO4, NH4 whole 2, SO4, that is 7 water. That is 6 water, not 7, that is 6 water. We can take again the examples of that, that is K2SO4, Al2SO4 whole 3, 24 water. Or that is CaCO3, MgCO3. These are the examples of that double salt. Two salts that has been intermixed to form that one salt. KCl, MgCl2, ferrous sulfate, ammonium sulfate, potassium sulfate, aluminum sulfate, calcium carbonate, that is magnesium carbonate. So the first compound that is named as, that is carnallite. So the first compound KCl, MgCl2, 6 water, that is carnallite. Second compound FeSO4, NH4O2SO4, 6 water, that is more salt. More salt. Potassium sulfate, aluminum sulfate, 24 water, that is the formula for that alum. ये जो फिटिग्री हम कोचे फिटिग्री जोड़ा यूज करचे सेविंग पर यूज करचे बा माने पानी को सफा करिया पे माने कोरे गोली पानी पसी तो सफा करिया पे जो आलम पकोचे, that is K2SO4, Al2SO4 all 24 water, that is formula for that alum. Then CaCO3 and MgCO3, that is known as dolomite. That is the formula for that dolomite. Nitrogen, that is known as foul gas. CH4, that is known as Mars gas. Because this is obtained from that Marsy lands. जो सन्तसन्तिया जगारू ए गैस बाहर डिकम्पोजिशन है कि जैविक पदार्थ डिकम्पोजिशन है बर्तमान पाइबा में that is bio products, that is CH4, that is your Mars gas, that is obtained from that Marsy lands. The mixture of NaOH and CaO, that is known as soda lime, that is soda lime. So nitrogen, that is known as foul gas, CH4, that is known as Mars gas, the mixture of sodium hydroxide and calcium hydroxide, that is known as soda lime. So in the same manner we can discuss regarding so many compounds. For example, potassium nitrate, that is known as Indian saltpeter, NaNO3, that is Chile saltpeter, Hg, that is known as Hg and Ag, Hg, quicksilver, red lead, Pb3O4, that is red lead, जोड़ा सिंदूर फॉर्मूला सिंदूर जो लेडीज मैंने लगुचन दैट इज रेड लीड बट दिस इज द पॉइजनस मटेरियल रेड लीड Pb3O4 दैट इज रेड लीड सिंदूर जोड़ा में यूज करछे माने यूज करछन लेडीज माने सिंदूर फॉर्मूला बट दैट इज पॉइजनस मटेरियल Pb3O4 तो एई टाइप रो गुडे कंपाउंड हम लिखि परिबा तो मिनिमम किछि कंपाउंड मु तुम एग्जांपल साइड करले with few examples. So many compounds with different names are there. We'll discuss in the coming class also these examples. But try to remember all the acid radicals, basic radicals, and also some of these compounds with other names that I have given to you. And I will give some questions in my YouTube channel or in Facebook. Then try to solve all these questions. कमिंग क्लास रे से क्वेश्चन सब डिस्कशन करबा मु आज किछि क्वेश्चन तुमको से चैनल छाड़ीबे तमे से क्वेश्चन तक देखिबो आंसर करिया पे चेष्टा करिवो किंतु मिनिमम प्ले तमे एतिको मन रखिबो ए जो कंपाउंड सब काहे बेसिक कांसेप्ट बर्तन स्टार्ट करछे बेसिक कांसेप्ट इन केमिस्ट्री जोटा कहूचे अनलेस एंड अनटिल यू हैव रिमेंबर्ड दैट इज सिंबॉलिक रिप्रेजेंट ऑफ एलिमेंट्स दैट इज एसिड रेडिकल्स बेसिक रेडिकल्स और कंपाउंड राइटिंग प्रोसेस then you just can't do anything else in chemistry. We are eligible to do something in chemistry if we have remembered because these are basic ideas, basic principle. So try to remember and try to answer the question that is given by me in my channel and also that is Facebook. Then we'll discuss the other questions or unsolved questions in the coming class. So thank you all.